All right, so next up, I have another one of these questions that looks similar to number one, but it has a frequency this time. So now when I put it into my stat edit menu, I'm going to have to make sure I have L1 and L2, and I'm going to drop my screen over here that I put into the calculator to get my answer so that I make sure that we know what we're doing. So I clear out my old list by going up to the top of the column, hitting clear and then enter, and then I put in 70, 73, 75, 80, 85, 86, 90, and 92. That's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you'll hear me count a lot of things because, again, I'm not a huge fan of statistics, partly because I'm not the most careful person in the world. So I reverse numbers, and I do all kinds of things when I'm going really fast. And statistics is kind of tedious. All right, so this is what my screen looks like with everything entered in there. Maybe. It should pop up. There it is. All right, there's my screen with everything entered in. And then I go to stat, and I go to calculate. It's still one variable statistics, but now I have to put L2, and that's second 2 to put it in there. I have to make sure that in the one variable stats, it looks like that. Okay, and then I go to calculate, and I hit enter. All right, and it gives me my screens here. So let me zoom out here. We're going to move these around. Okay. There is the first screen. And there is the second screen. All right, so there's the numbers I get. All right, so it doesn't say what to round to. I'm just going to go to the tenths place. So 78.4 is the mean. Standard deviation is 7.5. Minimum is 70. Maximum is 92. Q1 is 70. 1.5. Q3 is 85.5. The median is 75. Interquartile range is 85.5 minus 71.5, which is 14. The range is 92 minus 70, which is 22. Okay, so there's everything filled out for my screens. And then one standard deviation from the mean. Same thing I did if you did the last one. I'm going to go one standard deviation each way, and it's 7.5 to get each way. That means this is going to be 72.9, and this is going to be 85.9. Should be 15 apart. And this is not right. Hang on. This is 70.9. Use a calculator. Let me double check that because I'm still not convinced that I'm right. 78.4 minus 7.5. 70.9. Okay. So that's the range I'm looking for. So anything, so the 70 doesn't count, but anything from the here down to 85.9 right here. So those ones are within one standard deviation of the mean. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them again. And I'm saying again because it was 9 last time by chance. Okay? So being able to figure out within a mean is something that's important that we're going to want to be able to do.